Have you ever wondered how much technology has changed the way we learn and teach? In today's fast-paced digital world, technology plays a significant role in education, revolutionizing both the learning environment and teaching methods. Let's take a journey back a few decades. Classrooms were filled with chalkboards, textbooks, and lecture-based lessons. Fast forward to the present day, and we see a dramatic transformation. Chalkboards have been replaced by interactive whiteboards, textbooks have given way to e-books, and lecture-based lessons have morphed into interactive, student-centered learning experiences. The internet, digital devices, and software solutions have democratized education, making it more accessible to everyone, regardless of geographic location or socioeconomic status. Personalized learning is no longer a dream, but a reality. Students can now learn at their own pace, with customized content that caters to their unique learning styles and needs. The impact of technology on education is immense, changing not only the methods but also the pace of learning. How does traditional education compare to modern technology-driven education? Let's take a walk down memory lane to the days of traditional education. Picture a classroom with rows of desks, a chalk-covered blackboard, and one teacher addressing a group of students. This method, while time-honored, often lacks flexibility and individual attention. Every student must follow the same pace, regardless of their personal understanding or interests. Now fast forward to today's technology-infused education. It's a whole new ballgame. Digital platforms allow for personalized learning, tailoring educational content to each student's needs and capabilities. Interactive lessons keep students engaged and enhance their understanding. And talk about expanding horizons. With the internet, students have access to global resources, connecting them to a world of knowledge beyond the confines of their classrooms. While traditional methods have their merits, the benefits of technology in education are undeniable. The digital age is revolutionizing the way we learn, making education more accessible, engaging, and effective than ever before. What might the future of education look like with the continuous advancement of technology? Let's delve into the exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where students don't just read about the Great Pyramids of Egypt, but they virtually explore them, feeling the coarse stones under their fingertips through virtual reality. This experiential learning can provide a deeper understanding that textbooks alone can't offer. Consider the potential of artificial intelligence. As it becomes more sophisticated, it could tailor the learning experience to each student's individual needs, pace, and learning style. It's like having a personal tutor for every student without the hefty price tag. And let's not forget about blockchain. This technology could revolutionize the way we store and share academic records, making them more secure and easy to access from anywhere in the world. As we move forward, it's essential for educators to adapt and embrace these changes. As technology continues to evolve, so too will our methods of learning and teaching. Embracing this change is key to ensuring a bright future for education.